what you want, what you want.
I chose to do the boot camp, one, because I want to continue to try to be in the best shape of my life. I'm 29 years old right now, about to turn 30. It's been tough, challenging, tiring, but it's been all worth it. I've lost a total of 4.5 pounds in just 3 weeks. It's been hard, but you know, I felt like, you know, if I was going to start it, I was going to finish it.
What you want, what you want. Come. What you want.
I'm always the kind of person that likes to challenge myself. I know that Lonnie is the hardest trainer that I've ever met. 3 weeks have been really, really rough. It's really done what I wanted to do. I challenged myself. I pushed myself through everything. All the exercises were really tough, but I really saw a lot of results. I have muscle definition back now. I can see the definition in my arms. I'm really happy with my results. I've lost 6 pounds in 3 weeks and gained muscle mass as well.
Come on.